Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome to Maths online class. In today's class, we can discuss about the concept of prime and composite numbers. Which numbers are said to be prime and which numbers are said to be composite. We can discuss with this concept in today's class. When we were discussing on the concept of factors, we have noticed some numbers are having more factors, whereas some numbers are having only two factors. Which are these two factors? The number itself and 1. As you all know, 1 is a factor of every number. So some numbers are having only two factors. Which are the two factors? 1 and the number itself. We can have some examples here. We can look what are the factors of these numbers, the number of factors. These examples. First one, 6. Find out the factors of 6. 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Again, 3 into 2 is also 6. 6 into 1, 6. So, which are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. Next number, 7. Which are the factors? 1 into 7 is 7. Then you have 7 into 1 equal to 7. These are only other factors. So, which are the factors? 1 and 7. Next number, 19. 1 into 19 is 19. 19 into 1, 19. So, what are the factors? 1 and 19. Next, 25. Which all? 1 into 25 is 25. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 1 is 25. So, which are the factors? 1, 5, 25. So, here some numbers are having just only two factors. That means, look, 7. 7 is having only two factors. Which are the two factors? 1 and the number itself. Similarly, 19 is also having two factors, 1 and the number itself. Whereas the other two numbers are having more than two factors. That is, other than 1 and 6, 6 is having 2 and 3 factors. Similarly, 25. Other than 1 and 5, 25 is having, 1 and 25, 5 is also a factor. So, these two numbers are having more than two factors. So, from these examples, what did you understand? Some numbers are having more than factors and some numbers are having only just two factors. What are these two factors? 1 and the number itself. So, the numbers having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. What are prime numbers? The numbers which are having only two factors. So, what will be composite numbers? Numbers having more than two factors. That composite numbers will have more than factors than 1 and the number itself. So, from the given example, which are prime numbers and composite numbers? So, here the numbers 7 and 19 are prime numbers because they have only two factors. Two factors means 1 and the number itself, whereas 6 and 25 are composite numbers because they have more than two factors. Now, we can check some more examples. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What about 23? Here 1 and 23. Now case of 40, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. And in the case of 13, the factors are 1 and 13. So here also 12 and 40 are having more than two factors, whereas 23 and 13 are having factors only 2, which are the number itself and 1. So, from this, which all are prime and composite numbers? Yes, 23 and 13 are prime numbers since they have only two factors, whereas 12 and 40 are composite numbers. So, when they have more than two factors, they are composite. When they have only just two factors, which are the two factors? Number 1 and the number itself, then that numbers are called prime numbers. So, we discussed what is prime and composite number. So, can you tell me what is 1? Can we say 1 a prime or a composite number? No. one is neither prime nor a composite. That means one is not included in the list of prime numbers and not included in the list of composite number. Then what it is? It is a unique number. So one is not a prime number nor a composite number. It is a unique number. Now, in the case of prime and composite numbers, the smallest prime number is 2. Which is the smallest prime number? 2 is the smallest prime number. Now, one more case of this 2. The only even prime number is what? 2. The rest of all even numbers are composite numbers. Why? Because for every other even numbers, 2 is a factor, isn't it? 2 will be a factor for all other even numbers except 2. In the case of 2, what are the factors? 1 and 2 only. But in the case of other even numbers, 2 will be a factor other than the number itself and 1. So all other even numbers are composite number, whereas the only one even prime number is 2. So that is the smallest prime number, the only even prime number, that all is 2. Now when we take the case of odd number, the smallest odd prime number is 3. So what all we discussed here? 1 is a unique number, 2 is the smallest prime number. Which all? Smallest prime number and only even prime number. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. When the question is which is the smallest prime number, simply prime number, you have to say 2. Which is the smallest even prime number? Then also 2. When the question is which is the smallest odd prime number, then only comes 3. So these are the 3 important notes from the prime number. Then which is the smallest composite number? So when we are taking the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is a unique number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Then comes what? 4. So the smallest composite number is 4. So these all are the some important facts. Winding up today's class, today we discussed 2 type of numbers, which are the prime and composite number. So all of you understood what are prime and composite numbers. Now there is an assignment for you. You have to find out the prime and composite numbers from the list of 1 to 100. That means separate the numbers as prime and composite from the list of 1 to 100. So that is assignment for you. Do it. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper. We'll meet with another concept in the next video. Thank you.